Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Lesson School. So today in this video we are going to continuing exercise 11.2 with the next part of the video, which includes question number 6 and 7 from the chapter 11, and the name of the chapter is construction. So this is from class 10th NCERT book. So let's start with question number 6. So question number 6 says, let ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB is equals to 6 centimeter, BC is equals to 8 centimeter, and angle B is 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BC and D is drawn. Construct the tangent from A to their circle. Give the justification of this construction. So here also you need to give the justification of the construction. So let's start with the solution part, but before starting the solution part, let me show you the diagram for the same. So this is a diagram for question number 6. So this is on your screen. So let's start with the solution part. So solution is, consider the following situation. If a circle is drawn through B, D and C, BC will be its diameter as angle BDC is of measure 90 degrees. So angle BDC measure at 90 degree. The center E of this is the center E of this circle will be the midpoint of BC. This is the midpoint for BC. The required tangent can be constructed on the given circle as follows. So you need to construct tangents. So for constructing tangent, step number 1 is join AE. So here is a point A. So what you need to do is you need to join AE and bisect it. Let F be the midpoint of AE. Step 2, taking F as a center and EF as its radius, draw a circle which will intersect the circle at the point B. So this is the second circle which intersect at point B and G. So this is the point G. Join AG. So AB and AG are the required tangents. So these are the required tangents. So here the tangents are drawn. Now what you need to do is you need to justify the statement. So statement is, the construction can be justified by proving that AG and AB are the tangent to the circle. AG and AB are the tangent to the circle. For this, join EG. For this you need to join EG. So here is E and this is G. Angle AGE is an angle in the semicircle. We know that an angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So this is right angle. So angle AGE is equals to 90 degree. EG is right angle to AG. Since EG is the radius of a circle, AG has to be tangent of a circle. Already angle B is equals to 90 degree. AB is right angle to BE. AB is right angle to BE. Since BE is the radius of a circle, AB has to be tangent of a circle. Since BE is the radius of a circle, then AB has to be tangent of a circle. Now the statement is justified. So this is a diagram for question number 6. You can watch over there and copy this diagram after following the steps. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 7 of this video. So here in question number 7, though you need to have a bangle or a circle thing. So here it is written, draw a circle with the help of bangle. Take a point outside of a circle. Construct the pair of tangent from its point to the circle. Give the justification of the construction. So here also you need to give the justification of the construction. So let me show you the diagram first. So for the overview purpose, you can check this diagram. So this is a diagram for question number 7. So let's start with the solution part. So solution is, the required tangent can be construction on the given circle as follow. Draw a circle with the help of the angle. So you need to draw a circle with the help of a angle. Take a point P outside the circle. So taking point P outside the circle, and take two chords QR and ST. This is QR and ST. After this, you need to go for step number 3, that is draw a perpendicular bisector of these chords. Let them intersect each other at point O. This is the point O. Join PO, join PO. So PO and bisect it. Let U be the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. U be the midpoint of PO. So this is the midpoint for PO. Taking U as a center, draw a circle of a radius OU which will intersect the circle at V. This will intersect point V and W. Join PV and PW. Join PV and PW, and PW are the required. PV and PW are the required tangents. So these are the tangents. So now tangents are done. Let's move on to justification part. So justification is the construction can be justified by proving that PV and PW are the tangent to the circle. For this, first of all, it has to be proved that O is the center of a circle. Let us join OV and OW. Let us join OV and OW. We know that perpendicular bisector of a chord passes through the center. Therefore, the perpendicular bisector of a chord QR and ST pass through the center. It is clear that the intersection point of these perpendicular bisect is the center of a circle. We know that an angle in semicircle is a right angle. So, angle PVO is equals to 90 degree. So, angle PVO is equals to 90 degree. OV is right angle to PV. Since OV is the radius of a circle, PV has to be the tangent of a circle. Similarly, PW is a tangent of a circle. So the statement is proved according to the tangents. So here is the diagram for question number 7. You can copy this diagram for your construction and check this out. So guys, this is all for this video. So if you like our video, then the most important thing, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video as much as you can for get updated for NCERT solutions. And the most important thing, as you know, that is you need to subscribe our channel Aglasam School for more NCERT solutions. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon in the next videos.